Okay, and hello, and welcome back to just another video of me back testing. Right now, it is a live market session because today is Monday, so the market is open. I have analyzed it and see that today will still be a bear trend. We will look for a short here, but right now, I don't see a chance because it is kind of in the between two other block. This one, as we have been doing like in the past few videos about the price only retrace back to the other block in front of the major key level, which is here. The price had got some rejection here instead of breaking out of this. Therefore, I need to wait for the confirmation. And also, there is a big, strong breakout here with good follow throughs, guys. So it made a gap here. So that is why I will keep waiting for the price to go below it or over it. And I have set an alert here. Just wait for the price to go across that, or the price will be up to this major key level here, or with the 15 minutes, well, it might be, yeah, I think it's still here as well. This one is breaking out of the prior high. So anyway, I will back to the back testing thing, right? And today, let's see which pair will I use. Okay, AUD, write it out so that I cannot see anything, because if I see it, then you know what will happen. I can just be a really good reply. Okay, let's go. Quick analyze for our start. It uptrend, breakout, not good breakout, but this one is still a major key level. So from my point of view, we can see the key level, the major one, but we have to look for the breakout out of the prior highs as well, because that can indicate if the breakout, that key level is strong or not. If we are looking at the 1 hour, you can see that here is really strong, but that is the case, guys. There's always a possibility of us being wrong and the market do the exact opposite. So it's supposed to react at this key level here because this is a strong breakout, but it was not. So that is a thing we should consider in the future. That is the 1 hour chart. It is a downtrend with a good breakout here. I was thinking that if I kind of made my key level too narrow, I mean it is too small to use it to analyze. I will take a notice to see if it should be this big or just this big is enough. Anyway, it is going down, so we are looking for a sell setup here. But in the 15 minute, we can see that it is forming a bull trend with the key level somewhere around here, and this one is the major because it did break out, but bad follow through. So we'll wait for a price to do its thing. Okay, the price did break out of it, so we can definitely looking for a sell setup here. Breakout, that follow through, breakout, looking for a sell setup here, since the price has not been through any. This one breakout, Okay, oopsie, 50%. And here is a breakout. Yeah, go up even more. Okay, so as we discussed the breakout here, so we are looking for a selling opportunity, but I think that I will move it a little bit up for the 15 minutes, 13 pips, 15. I'll wait for more of the confirmation. Here, okay. Oopsie, oh, the price. So again, these are really driving me crazy. I gotta say, these breakouts here, well, I don't know if it does become the on the block here or not. Well, from 1 hour chart, it might did, but we look into the 15 minute, it is not. So that is what is confusing me a lot. It did retrace back, but this is definitely what we should consider because it was a major key level which pushed the price really up. So, but I still think that I'm in the right trend, which is bear trend. So I'll need for the confirmation before entering again. And by confirmation, I mean until the price breakout of this key level of the small uptrend here. This one, this is, yes, and it did. So right now I can look for a sell. The problem with my previous lost this one is because I did not wait for the confirmation. Well, I think because it is still in an uptrend here, right? And also here. So whenever a price is forming a trend, as we're seeing, we'll need to wait for the price to break out, for the price to go down and break out of the major key level, which indicates that the trend has ended, like in this particular trend. We can see it already break out of this major key level. So right now we will look for an opportunity to sell. You know, it did bother me a little bit. 5 minute is all breakout. I am sure about that. This one is a big breakout here, but in the 5 minutes, it is not a good breakout. So I don't really sure about that. Keeping the opportunity 2.8. I think I can do that. Okay, so we need to reassure that there's nothing happening here. And also, okay, so let's go with the 1 hour. Okay, so we have hit our take profit point. So the second trade is a good trade, as we all see, right? It is 2.83. We have waited for the confirmation and everything supports us. And even more, I can hold the trade longer because it is still in a downtrend, a bear trend, as we can see here is breakout out of the prior low here with a good follow through. So okay, I have take profit here, and the problem is that with the 15 minutes, I can say that here is a key level for the 15 minutes, but for the 5 minutes chart, this one has the trend here has been broken, and it is now in a uptrend. here. So let's see. But I think I'll stop here with this. What I should have done is move my stop loss here. So start showing here. Let's see if the price does that. So I can think of the buying opportunity here for a 15 minutes and let's see here 2R6, but it is too small. We'll go up to that upper key level. No. Oh, so no, it is not. So this one is still a major key level, which we can say it is because of the breakout is not that good, as we have mentioned. So therefore, it is slightly stop hunt here, which it did. Oh, I can tell. So it is going down here, and we should be looking for selling opportunities, but it already reached the key level of the 1 hour chart. So it's already retraced back to the beginning of the trend. We should have just wait. We don't need to do anything here, and we don't want to do anything here. If you are looking to buy, you can go 4 hour chart and you can buy it here if you think that the price will go up even more. But as usual, we need to wait for the confirmation. The price reach this point, which is, I can say it's nothing, and it should be up around here. So let's see if we can buy it here, put the stop loss here, here, and buying up here with, ooh, this is not, it's still a downtrend. So it is retracing back to this. What am I doing? I mean, I have broken the rule of me not doing this. I need to focus. I need to focus, guys. I'm sorry. So let's back to the real trade, real life market. It's still here, and I think we will reach somewhere here. If I have the dare to enter the trade, I can just, oh, it's not that big. Well, for the real trade, 5 minutes is the pips are too small to consider buying. Like it only 9 pips here, so we will have to just wait, and we don't want to enter. But sorry, but I think that I will need to confront myself. I need to stop here. And these are the trade that I don't want to take. So I need to make a rule for myself that I will only trade 1 to 2 trades per day. And that will keep my mental health in a good process of thinking, and it won't affect me. And every trade I take should be in a really good setup, waiting for the confirmation. As you can see here, we have waited for confirmation, and the market gave us the opportunity to enter the trade, and we take profit easily, right? So that is why we always need to wait for confirmation, especially for me myself. I need to do that. I don't have to be so rushed about getting into a trade, which I always do, and that is why I am losing a lot of trade in my live trading session, which is because I keep looking at the chart, and it up and down. It makes me feel like I don't want to miss that. So the FOMO really got into me, And these back tests, I need to do it in a way that calm me down, not what I have just done. I'm sorry about that, and I need to be more disciplined instead of to see when I hit when I got the stop loss here, I was so, I don't want to say the word angry, but I have something in my mind. I want to why, why, and I want to see the price just where it will go, but that is not good for trading because trading takes time and just be calm. And I think that's it is for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.